Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use a BITS credit card and explain how it works step by step, especially if you're new to the platform. Let's begin. For those who are not familiar with BITS, it is essentially a digital store card designed to help you build your credit history. Having an active credit account reported on your credit file can positively impact your credit score over time when managed responsibly. Now let's talk about how the BITS store card actually works. BITS provides you with a digital store card rather than a physical card. You make purchases using this digital card and then repay your balance on a monthly basis through a single repayment. BITS reports these repayments to credit reference agencies, which helps build your credit profile. BITS also uses a continuous payment authority, or CPA, to collect your monthly payments. Creating an account with BITS is very simple. All you need to do is click on the Get Started option on their website. From there, you'll be asked to enter your email address and click Continue. Next, you'll provide your phone number, which BITS uses to contact you regarding your account. After completing this step, you'll receive an email verification to confirm that you're creating a BITS account. Once your account is successfully set up and approved, you can start using your BITS credit card. The BITS card is widely accepted by many merchants, especially anywhere that major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover are accepted. Let me give you a quick example. Suppose you're purchasing a small item online, such as a digital watch. After selecting the product, add it to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, simply choose the BITS credit card as your payment method if it's available, enter your card details, and complete the purchase. That's all there is to it. Using the BITS credit card is straightforward, and when used responsibly, it can be a helpful tool for building and improving your credit profile. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.